Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to check for updates on your Amazon Fire TV. So if you want to update your system software, this is easy. On the home screen here, let's scroll on over to Settings. Then let's go to Devices and Software. Then let's select About. Then scroll on down to Check for Updates. And select this, and it's checking for the most current update. And it's downloading it. So I did have an update. And now let's go to Install Update since it downloaded. And it's finishing the update. And this may take a few minutes. Do not press any buttons on the Fire TV remote. So let it just sit and download the update and install it on your Fire TV. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. Did, leave a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.